Hello, welcome. I'm Vishwanath Hebbar. In this video, let us discuss about the good opportunity for investment in a stable and relatively a safe stock with return opportunity of 20 to 30% in another 1 year. Before going ahead with the analysis of this stock, I would like to inform that this video is for educational purpose only. Before taking any decision to buy or sell, please do your own analysis or consult your trusted financial advisor. That being said, let us start the analysis of this stock. Firstly, let us understand the business. Business of the company is it manufactures ready to eat food products. It is a market leader in a biscuit segment. The company has a pan-India presence. The products are available in more than 5 million retail stores across India. The products reach over 50% of the Indian homes. By looking at this, we can know that this is a market leader in the biscuit and ready to eat food segment. And company has a very stable and established business. It has various variety of biscuits under different brand name. It also has a various variety of breads under different brand names. And another important product is dairy products. It has cheese, slices and other stuffs under the dairy. And it also produces a cakes under different brand names. And it has also has a few variety of rusks. It also has a products cream wafers. It also produces cream wafers. One more product category is croissant. It is also ready to eat food product. And if we look at the quarterly result, company has made a decent sale in the latest quarter and also has a operating profit of 505 crores and profit before tax and net profit are good. In March 2021, sales reduced slightly due to the pandemic. If we look at the annual results, company has consistently increased its sales over a period of time from in 2010 3,773 crores to 13,136 crores in 2021, and its profit before tax also has increased significantly, and it is also a good dividend paying company. By looking at this annual result, we can know that this company has a very good stable business and it is a profit making company. The balance sheet also looks good and company has a very little borrowing compared to its reserves. Shareholding pattern. Promoters are holding consistently a decent amount of shares. Promoters are consistently holding a majority of shares, and there is also a good holding by foreign institutional investors and domestic institutional investors. This is a good sign that bigger institutions also believe in the growth prospectus of this company. If we look at the share price, currently it is trading at around 3,482 rupees. Its high in the recent times was around 4,000 rupees. It came down during the pandemic, and from here it has a potential of 4,000, which means around 20 to 30% of return. I expect that this stock to reach this high in within 1 year. In last 5 years, company's highest share price was around 4,000 rupees and current market price is around 3,482 rupees. By looking at the company's business and its financial, it is highly possible that company share has a very high possibility of making high again, which means 20 to 30% return in another 1 year is possible. And by looking at the company's business presence and its finances, it is relatively a safer investment option. I hope this video helps you in making a better investment decision. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you in the next video.